Eric and Casey, report to the lineup please. Eric DeFries here, people, ladies and gents. He's going to be taking us through how to do a flippity flip. What do you call it? A back flip?
Yeah.
What do the kids call it?
Race lift, bottom of the board catches the wind sends you around, lean back, hips in, something like that. Geordie does it the best. Try watch him, figure it out, put it into words.
Alright, well we're wishing you the best of luck out there, mate. Okay, let's get this bloody drone up.
And part of me thinks I ain't ever gonna make it back home. I got a wife at the house, but she got no love for me. Dropped on the couch on her phone watching TV. The woman I married wasn't nearly so goddamn mean. And she didn't shut down so many beds to die as a bee. I'm gonna go to the bank and cash out my account. Drive straight to the tavern and drink a disgusting amount. Spin my pistol and baby you better watch out.
Like most point breaks, the current speed today. How's the condition, Dodgy? Oh, this fucking epic, bro. That's just beautiful clear water. Nice current, but yeah, wave cooking. Can't complain. No complaints.